Hello students, welcome to Creata Classes. I am Gurmeet Singh and also welcome to complete series on chapter Circle for class 10 students. We will cover all these lectures in this series using the power of visualization and animation, and especially in this lecture we will cover exercise 10.1. So without taking any further time, let's start with this lecture. Let's take the question number 1. How many tangents can a circle have? The concept involved in this question is that for any point on the circumference of the circle, we can have only one tangent. If we take any point on the circle, we can draw many lines from that point. We can have only one tangent from this point, all the other lines will be secant. So one point on the circumference of the circle will produce only one tangent. And in the theory part, we have seen that circle is composed of infinite number of points. Single point will produce one tangent. We are having infinite number of points, so we will have infinite tangents for a circle. So the answer to this question is infinite. We can have infinite number of tangents for a circle because circle is composed of infinite number of points and each point will produce a single tangent. So that's the answer, infinite. Let's move to question number 2, which is a fill in the blanks. Let's take one by one. The first part. A tangent to a circle intersect it in dash points. So this is the fill in the blanks. The answer is 1 point. What is tangent? Tangent is a line segment which touches the circle at only 1 point. So we got the answer in the definition. Tangent touched the circle at only 1 point. Secant touch the circle at 2 point or intersect the circle at 2 point. So the answer to the first part is 1 point. Let's move to the second part. A line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called? The answer is secant. Secant is a line segment that intersects the circle at 2 points. So the answer is the secant. Let's move to the third part. A circle can have dash parallel tangents at the most. The answer is that a circle can have 2 parallel tangents. To explain this, let's take a circle and let's draw a tangent. Let's draw the lines parallel to this tangent line. The line above this tangent are the non-intersecting line, and the line below this line is a secant which is crossing the circle at the 2 point. Further moving down, we got a single line segment which is a tangent which is touching the circle at 1 point. Further going down, we got the non-intersecting line. So all the in-between lines are the secant, above and below are the non-intersecting line. We got only 2 tangents which are parallel to each other. So the answer to this question is a circle can have 2 parallel tangents at the most. We cannot have a third parallel tangent. Got it? Let's move to fourth part. A common point of a tangent to a circle and circle is called? The answer is point of contact. Point of contact is the point at which the tangent is touching the circle. So here this point is the point of contact and also the answer of the fourth part. So we have done all the 4 part. We have done with the question number 2. Students, a small information. Download the formula and the concept list. The link is given in the description. You will also find the similar formula and the concept list for all the chapters for class 10th. Check out the link in the description. So again, back to the lecture. Let's move to question number 3. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm meets a line through the center O at a point Q so that OQ is equal to 12 cm. Length PQ is 4 parts are given A, B, C, D. Let's observe this question. In this question, we are having a circle with center as O. And also we are having a tangent PQ. So this is a tangent PQ which is touching the circle at the point P. So point P is the point of contact. The radius of the circle is given as 5 cm. And if we join O and Q, it is given as 12 cm. OP, that is the radius, is given as 5 cm. OQ is given as 12 cm. And we have to find length PQ. The concept that is involved in this question is the theorem 10.1. That is, the radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other. Or we can say the angle between the radius and a tangent is 90-degree angle. So the angle P will be a 90-degree angle as per theorem 10.1. Are you able to observe a triangle OPQ? This is a triangle which is formed by the three line segment. And this triangle is a right angle triangle at the point P. Point P is a 90-degree angle, so this triangle is a right angle triangle. Two sides of this triangle we know as 5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. OQ is the hypotenuse. How we know OQ is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is a side which is opposite to 90-degree angle. Here angle P is 90-degree angle. So the side opposite to angle P is the side OQ, which is the hypotenuse for this triangle. We can apply the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle because it is a right angle triangle. We can do so. So on applying Pythagoras, we got OP square plus PQ square is equal to OQ square. We know OP as 5 and OQ as 12. Let's put the value. We got our answer as root of 119. That is the answer of this question, that is D. Got it? We have used the property of the tangent, that is the angle between the radius and the tangent is 90-degree angle. And we have identified the triangle which is a right angle triangle, and we have simply applied the Pythagoras. These type of questions are generally asked in the exam, even in the competitive exam. So you should know this concept. So we have done with the question number 3. Let's move to question number 4. Draw a circle and two lines parallel to a given line such that one is tangent and the other is secant to the circle. Very simple question. Let's try this. Let's draw a line segment and a circle. So this is a line segment and a circle. We have to draw two parallel lines to the given line such that one is the tangent and the other is the secant. What is tangent? Tangent is a line segment which touches the circle at only one point. And what is secant? Secant is a line segment which touches the circle at 2 points. So let's do so. We can draw many parallel lines to the given line. All the lines which are crossing the circle at 2 points is the secant. So all these lines are the secant. Let's retain only one line, any line which you like. Let's retain this. So this is the secant which is parallel to our given line. Further, let's draw the tangent parallel to the given line. We can have two tangents parallel to the given line for this circle. A circle can have two parallel tangents as we have discussed in the question number 2. So these are the two tangents which are parallel to the given line. You can retain any of the tangent that you like. Let's retain this one. So that is the answer. We have drawn a tangent and a secant which is parallel to the given line. So we have done with the question number 4. So students, we have done with the exercise 10.1. In the next lecture, we will cover the exercise questions. So students, we have done with this lecture. If you have enjoyed, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share this video with your friends and the class 10 student. We also have a similar kind of video, all the chapters for class 10 student. Check the playlist section of our YouTube channel. And best of luck for the exam you are preparing for and have a great day. Bye for now.